Stay here in the car. I will go look outside. Oh no. A little puppy.
It's okay, little puppy. You are safe now.
Wow, the rain is so heavy today.
Drive safe, David. The road is very wet.
Look at the dark sky. I don't like the storm. It is very loud. Wait, what is that sound? I don't hear anything, Anna. Listen, it sounds like crying. Stop the car, please.
Are you sure, Anna?
Stay here in the car. I will go look outside. Hello? Is someone there?
Is Dad okay? He found a box, Peter. Look.
Oh no. A little puppy. You are so wet and cold. It's okay, little guy. I have you.
Here you go, sweetie. He needs you.
Oh, poor baby. He is shivering.
Let's go home quickly.
We are home. Let's get a warm towel. It's okay, little puppy. You are safe now. You are warm.
Here is some warm milk. Drink this, little friend.
He is so cute, Mom. Look at his ears.
Yes, Peter. He is a very brave boy.
Ha! He is very hungry. Ah! Look at his little tail wag. He is tired. Can we keep him, Dad? Please.
What do you think?
I think he already found his family.
Welcome home, Lucky. We love you.